Boaters, start your engines. One minute, 45 seconds to meal time. One minute, 30 seconds to meal time.
Cody and John are in.
One minute, 15 seconds to meal time.
Bubba's in.
1 minute to meal time.
Kate's in.
Forty-five seconds to meal time. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start. Get both from straight. Out wide. We got Bubba in third. We got Joe in second. No. We got John in second. We got Kate in third. Followed by Joe. Bubba stretching his lead. Last lap for Bubba, last lap for Don. That last lap for Kate. Finish for Bubba. Finish for Kate. Finish for Don. This will be a finish for Joe.
Nationwide club. It's their nationwide.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dead boat deep in turn 2. Just off of the weed.
That's Rob's area. It's over there. I didn't do that movie cut. All right, B hydros, get them down here. We got one dead boat out there, right by the weeds, Rob's favorite area.